Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to reset Windows 10 apps to fix any issues. So guys, if you want to reset Windows 10 apps to fix any issues, very easy. First click on Install. After click on Settings. Now click on Apps and here list of apps. After select any apps, and here option Advanced option. So click it. Here option Reset. So click on Reset and again click on Reset. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reset Windows 10 apps to fix any issues. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.